Amanda has got a black-collared barbet pair that has made a nest in this one syringa tree, and they already had some babies. The one was a fledgling, which we actually put back into the nest the other day, and we just heard this commotion because Bruni, Amanda's black cat, went and fiddled there. Amanda's little cat. Look at it. It's not often that you see a cat like this. And we saw for a fact that there was another little bird in there. So two big ones are flying around, and there is a bird in there. But you can see that parasite fungi thing that's attacking all the trees. Albei is nou daarin, so daar's nou twee. Daar kom hy wil uitkom, maar Cinnamon is nou daar.
Hey, Clover! Clover!
So there's 4 in that hole. We saw 3 went in, and the little one that was inside. So that nest is big enough for 4. I did read that they actually stay in communes like that. The treasures in the street. Diagonally across from Amanda, in another neighbour's front yard. I actually did 2 videos on that. 2 little thickneys, the koppies, had 2 little chicks. They both did not make it. And then they had another hatch of 2 eggs, of which one survived. And I just had to take a video of it.